see wings.
He said his name's Teddy.
That's not a peanut. Hold on.
Watch. Teddy. Hi, Teddy.
His name's Ted.
Yeah, Teddy. Oh, he
Oh!
just shit it.
That's gross.
He said he just took a shit.
You're good. I'm going the other way.
He said, my name's Ted.
He took a. Mm.
Oh, yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Thank you.
Mm.
Yeah, he's got some power with that beef, man. He knows it. But yeah, he's gotten a couple people here and there. So. But,
He's smart.
oh yeah. He talks a lot, though. And it's mainly whenever he wants to.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's got the intelligence of about a 6 to 7 year old kid.
Holy shit.
Yeah. He loves attention too.
That's dope.
Huh. Cool bird.